Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Spiwataid Matsimbi. I study at Birlik International School and I'm going to be presenting about processing. Recycling, recovery and reprocessing of waste materials for use in new products. The basic phases of recycling are the collection of waste materials, their processing or manufacture into new products, and the purchase of those products, which may then themselves be recycled. Typical materials that are recycled include iron and steel scraps, aluminum cans, glass bottles, paper, wood, and plastics. These materials serve as substitutes for the raw materials obtained from such increasingly scarce natural resources such as petroleum, natural gas, coal, mineral oils, and trees. Recycling can help reduce the amount of solid waste deposited in landfills, which have become increasingly expensive. Recycling can also help reduce pollution of air, water, and land resulting from waste disposal. There are two main types of recycling, internal and external. Internal recycling is the reuse in a manufacturing process of a material that is a waste product of that process. Internal recycling is common in metals industry. For example, the manufacture of copper tubing results in a certain amount of waste in the form of tube ends and trimmings. This material is remelted and recast. Another example of internal recycling is seen in the distilling industry, in which after distillation, the spent grain mash is dried and processed into an edible foodstuff for cattle. External recycling is the reclaiming of materials from a product that has been worn out or rendered obsolete. An example of external recycling is the collection of old newspapers and magazines for repulping and for manufacture of new paper products. Aluminum cans and glass bottles are other examples of everyday objects that are externally recycled on a wide scale. These materials can be collected by any of the three main methods: buyback centers, which purchase sorted materials that are sorted and brought in by consumers; drop-off centers, in which consumers deposit their waste materials but are not paid for them; and curbside collection, in which consumers sort their own waste and deposit them by the curb, where it's collected by a central agency. Thank you.